I'm super impressed with these kitchen scissors that were sent for my feedback. They can handle anything. I love using them for quick food prep without even pulling out a cutting board. They cut through plastic, cartons, even bones. You can crack nuts with them. They're just super, super versatile. What really stands out is how sturdy they feel. The blades are made from this special stainless steel, and they're thicker than your typical kitchen scissors. So you're not dealing with bending or struggling where cutting through tougher foods. You can even cut chicken or even frozen items. Everything feels smooth and controlled. There's also a built-in groove that helps grip things like bones or herbs while you're cutting. And a little bonus, it doubles as a bottle opener, which is actually really convenient. The handles are comfortable to hold and easy on your hands. Even if you're using them for longer prep sessions, they work well whether you're left or right-handed, and they don't put stress on your wrists. I also like that they're truly multi-purpose. You can use them in the kitchen, but also for things like packaging, fabric, or even small DIY projects. Overall, these are one of those tools you end up reaching for way more than you expect.